Moving day is almost here, but did you know that unexpected fees can sneak in and turn your budget upside down? Let's talk about some hidden moving fees and how you can spot and avoid them so your move stays on track and on budget. First, there's the access fee. If your home is difficult to reach, say down a narrow lane, up steep stairs, or in a gated community, the moving company may charge more. To avoid this, let them inspect the site ahead of time and get an itemized quote so you know what you're paying for. Next, surcharges like long carry, shuttle, or elevator fees. If movers have to carry items far from the truck, use a smaller vehicle, or haul through an elevator or narrow hallway, extra fees may apply. Ask, how far will you carry the boxes? Is the walk clear? Will you be charged for stairs or elevators? Then we have fuel and mileage fees. Some companies include them, others don't. Make sure the contract shows exactly what mileage and fuel charges you will pay. If your move is long distance, ask about flat rate versus variable cost options. Another one is the storage or container fee. If you need temporary storage or a portable container, check what daily or weekly storage fees apply. These can add up quickly if your belongings sit longer than expected. So how do you avoid all these extras? Step 1, get written quotes from at least 2 movers. Compare the line-by-line details. Step 2, ask lots of questions like, what is included? What could cost extra? Step 3, review the contract carefully and watch for vague language like may incur additional fees. If you see that, ask for clarification. Your move does not have to be full of surprises. With a little preparation, you can keep your move smooth, transparent, and within your planned budget. Want more moving tips, checklists, and expert moving quotes? Visit MoversCom, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-243-243 with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.